This is a video on target zones, something that students struggle to understand. So whenever we're talking about target zones in PE, we're talking about the cardiovascular system. So we're talking about the cardiovascular, heart and lungs, and cardiovascular fitness specifically, muscular endurance. So muscular endurance, and we are talking about aerobic fitness. So these are the key sort of ingredients, if you like, when we're talking about target zones. So what are they? Most of the time when you see target zones, you're going to see it drawn in a graph which looks like this. And in order to understand this graph, you need to understand a few acronyms. So we have MHR, which stands for maximum heart rate. We have RHR, which equals resting heart rate. And then we have something called BPM, which is beats per minute. And BPM is how we measure heart rate. It's our kind of measure. So we've got this graph, we've got X and Y axis. Over here we're going to put 100, which represents 100% of your maximum heart rate. So here is your max HR. You can't go any higher than 100. So if we drop these down in increments of 20, so we go 80% there, 60 there, 40 there, and 20 here, you'll see these 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 are increments or percentages of our maximum heart rate. So this target zone happens between 60 and 80% of your maximum heart rate. So this is this zone right here. So the target zone happens between 60 and 80 beats per minute. It's here. This is where the magic happens. So we call this little area our target zone. And you'll hear me ask you to get into your target zones, and this is what I mean. I'll explain in a minute why it's good to get into this zone, but this is where we want to be, this is where the magic happens. And the reason the magic happens here is because we burn calories. So we burn calories, so we can shred some fat, and we improve fitness. Sorry about the squeaky pens. We improve fitness. So let's talk about another thing that you need to know about, which is an equation on how to calculate maximum heart rate. So there's an equation that is 220 minus your age.